Introducing the Eroute 5004, a sporty electric wheelchair that will thrill you on every ride. The wheelchair design is rated for a maximum load capacity of 300 pounds. Everything is powered by a high-performance lithium battery with a capacity of 20 amp-hours. What makes it special is its large 24-inch diameter rear wheels, which allow for easy handling. Thanks to the powerful motors, you can turn the wheelchair on the spot, which is ideal for tight spaces. The wheelchair is also equipped with the option of manual operation, which is ideal for those who want to combine electric and manual modes. Folding side armrests allow easy entry and exit. The Eroute 5004 is primarily controlled by a 360-degree joystick that can be easily attached to both the right and left side of the wheelchair. You can adjust the speed and sensitivity of the controls on the joystick. Choose from a wide range of Eroute wheelchair accessories. If you need advice on choosing a wheelchair, please do not hesitate to contact us by phone or via our website.